This is a video of a very hectic and chaotic intersection. There's a lot of mistakes made in this one. So let's roll the clip and learn some lessons. That accident was completely unnecessary. Let's roll it back because that's where it ends. This was definitely caused by lack of patience. The light's red here, but as soon as it turns green, you see all these cars continuing to make their left. And this car decides they're going to go anyway, and our driver here had to have seen this car, but they decided to go anyway. Maybe because the light was green so they had the right of way, so they figured this car should stop for them, but just a little bit more patience wouldn't have got you into this accident. This was completely avoidable. Both this driver that made the left turn after they had the red and our driver here is at fault. If there are cars in the intersection, it doesn't matter if you have the right of way. Green does not mean it's safe to go, it just means you have the right of way. So always make sure it's safe before entering an intersection. If there are cars in the middle of the intersection, it's not safe to enter. So make sure you're patient. Just a little bit more patience would have saved this driver lots of time, headache, stress, and money in insurance and repairs. None of this is worth it. Just be a bit more patient. Let's be safer, more responsible drivers.